Hi there. So this is just a quick explanation of the first half of your assignment to make up for units 1 through 5. Now remember, when you do this, you are not doing anything from units 1 through 5. You're going to start working on unit 6, where we're all right now as a class. And this assignment is going to be to make up for units 1 through 5. So there's going to be different components to it. This is part 1, so you need to make sure you have this completed and sent to me before I send you part 2. So theme and characterization are big topics that we discussed up until now in class. And so that's really what this part's going to focus on. You're going to choose a short story or a novel to read. And you're going to discuss the theme and just important events in the story. So first of all, you're going to look up a definition for the word theme as it relates to literature, and you're going to write it here. You can either look it up online or come up with your own if you're familiar with what the theme of a story is. Step 2, choose a short story or short novel you want to read. You can find it on the internet, your local library. You can pick one we've already read for class that's an online school or something in your American Lit textbook, and you're going to write it here. Then you're going to read the story, which might take a week or 2 or however long, depending on what you've chosen. And you're going to fill out this outline. So the title, the main characters, you're going to write one thing that describes them. So write their name and maybe what their personality is like, why they're important to the story, something like that. You're going to write the conflict, what the biggest problem is in the story. Important events in the exposition, which is the beginning. Important events in the middle. Important events at the end. And then you're going to answer this big question: how did the author help us discover the theme of the story? After you finish this, you're going to send it back to me, and I'll be happy to send you part 2. If you have any questions, let me know.